Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today's question: how can I make money using AI? Stay tuned and watch from start to finish because the ideas, tips and practical methods that I'm about to give you will help you to start more easily making money online with AI. And just very quickly, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos if you're new to my channel, and give the video a like because that really does motivate me to make more content for you. Thank you very much. Let's dive right in. I will start by telling you how AI tools can help you make money. Generative AI tools can produce website content, social media images or business outlines for increasing profitability. The tools available can be leveraged in different sectors, making them accessible to solopreneurs, small startups, medium-sized companies and large enterprises in all industries. For example, Jasper is an AI writing tool that assists you in creating content, including blog posts, blog articles, social media posts, ad copy and product descriptions. By inputting a short prompt, Jasper can create an article outline in 30 seconds, which saves you time and effort. Writing tools can be a quick and easy way to optimize your content creation, scale your online presence, and create in-depth marketing campaigns to sell more of your products or services. DALL-E is an AI software that can generate unique images based on text descriptions. If you need inspiration for eye-catching graphics for your WordPress website, social media accounts, or marketing materials, you can simply provide a textual description of what you want, and DALL-E will generate high-quality images that match your vision. AI-powered images can shorten the design process and increase the speed to market. This can both save money and increase audience engagement, which leads to more sales. Additionally, AI tools like chatbots can enhance customer support for businesses of all sizes. These virtual assistants can respond instantly to common customer queries, freeing human resources to focus on more complex issues. Quick responses improve customer satisfaction, encourage future purchases, save time and reduce operational costs. Individuals looking for a side hustle for extra cash or a full-time income stream can reap the benefits of AI for income generation, enjoying flexibility, scalability and even passive earnings. I will now give you some practical ways to earn money online with AI as an individual. Here we go. Number 1. Offering AI freelancing services. Providing AI-powered freelancing services like graphic design, data analysis, video editing or copywriting can be a great income source. Freelancing using AI tools can improve productivity, speed and quality, allowing freelancers to handle more projects. Automated design tools enable freelancers to provide unique images and social media posts with a quick turnaround time. Natural language generation (NLG) tools can help freelance writers by quickly automating content creation processes, producing drafts of articles, reports and marketing materials. For data analysis, AI algorithms streamline data processing and insights, saving time and increasing accuracy. These AI-powered advantages allow freelancers to offer competitive services on platforms like Upwork.com, attracting a global clientele looking for both efficiency and high-quality content. Let's move on to number 2, developing and selling AI applications. There are numerous possibilities for creating AI-powered applications or tools across various industries that you can monetize. First, you'll need to identify your interests and skills. Then conduct some market research by analysing competitors and existing solutions. I suggest you identify gaps in the market and define your target audience. Then come up with a plan to solve the identified problem. Let me give you an example. You might want to create an app to streamline a company's outreach efforts through automation. Now, to build your app, you'll need to be skilled in programming languages, statistics and using AI frameworks. Consider speaking to users to target pain points and optimize your app's usability. You can sell your tool on platforms like the App Store, Google Play, or even on your own website. Regularly update your application to track its performance through data analytics and make improvements based on sales data to enhance the app's profitability over time. Let's move on to number 3, creating AI content. AI tools can help streamline content creation, boost your online presence and drive product or service sales. Let me give you an example. You can use ChatGPT to assist in generating high quality blog posts for your website that increase traffic, leading to more income from ad clicks and affiliate commissions. AI-based SEO tools can aid in optimizing content for search engines like Google, increasing your online visibility. AI can also empower personal branding by designing tailored ads. AI-driven marketing tools can segment audiences, generate compelling ad copy, and optimize placements, which help to maximize reach and conversions. Let's move on to number 4, offering tutoring and online courses. If you're an expert in AI, I would suggest you consider offering tutoring services or creating online courses to bring in a stream of income. You could provide learning support on user-friendly platforms like Upwork.com to teach other people machine learning concepts, strategic ways to use NLP tools, or how to use AI development platforms like TensorFlow. Writing and monetizing ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is another great avenue to share in-depth AI insights. Alternatively, you can create digital courses or tutorials and upload them to platforms like Udemy or Coursera to explain concepts such as AI for beginners, which can attract a broad audience. Let's move on to number 5, delivering AI microservices. AI microservices refer to small components of software that perform a single function, working with other software pieces to create a larger, complex software system. Let me give you some examples of microservices. They include image recognition. This microservice can easily classify images into predefined categories or detect specific objects within images. It's valuable for applications like content moderation or visual search. Another one is recommendation engines. Based on user behavior, this microservice provides personalized product or content recommendations. It's commonly used in e-commerce and media platforms. And another one is language translation. This microservice translates text from one language to another, making it very useful for global communication and content localization. To help you create and monetize AI microservices, I suggest you identify a niche problem or function, develop the microservice using machine learning knowledge and programming skills, and create an API for integration with other platforms. You can then publish your creation on AWS Marketplace or others to incorporate into their own applications. I suggest you offer clear pricing, a comprehensive documentation, and user support to attract and retain a satisfied user base. Here is number 6, AI generated art and creative outputs. With tools like AI art generators, music composition software, or natural language processing, professionals can more quickly create stunning visuals, original compositions, and compelling written content. Simply provide the appropriate AI tool with text descriptions of images, an audio sample, or a storyline premise to generate a draft of an image, music, or a book. The AI can create drafts in seconds, enabling content creators to iterate the generation process until they get an output that will help them realize their ultimate vision. This can help creatives overcome issues like writer's block and also improve their ideation and development processes. You can use platforms like Shopify or personal websites which provide spaces to market and sell AI-generated creations. Additionally, communities such as AI art galleries or digital content platforms like Etsy offer avenues to showcase and monetize AI-generated works. Let's move on to number 7, consulting. You can leverage your expertise in AI to help businesses solve challenges or take advantage of opportunities. You may help clients identify areas that they can automate to reduce costs, implement AI tools to increase operational efficiency, or integrate AI solutions into their existing systems. I recommend to start a consulting service and build a strong portfolio showcasing past projects that you have done and the research and successful AI implementations. You can complete an in-depth portfolio on Upwork.com to show your skills. In addition, networking is very key. I suggest you attend AI conferences, join online forums, and engage with AI communities. Building a professional network can lead to referrals and collaborations. I would recommend to set competitive rates and create a clear value proposition for your clients for a successful career in consulting. Here are some more top tips for AI consulting. Understand the problem. Before you start working on an AI solution, you need to understand the problem that your client is trying to solve. This means asking the right questions, listening carefully and validating your assumptions. You need to understand the client's pain points, objectives, expectations and constraints. You also need to understand the current state of the client's data, processes and systems and how they relate to the problem. Now, by understanding the problem, you can define the scope, requirements and success criteria of the project and avoid wasting time and resources on irrelevant or unrealistic solutions. My next top tip for consulting is to communicate effectively. Communication is a key skill for any consultant, but especially for AI consultants who need to bridge the gap between technical and non-technical stakeholders. You need to communicate effectively with the client throughout the project lifecycle, from the initial proposal to the final delivery. You need to explain your approach, methods and results in a clear and concise way, using appropriate language and visuals. You also need to listen to feedback, address concerns and manage expectations. Communication is not only about sharing information, but also about building rapport, trust and collaboration. Let's now move on to number 8, leverage affiliate marketing. With AI, individuals can fine-tune their affiliate marketing, making it more precise and efficient, ultimately boosting their earnings and streamlining the entire process. AI tools like recommendation engines can pinpoint the best products for a target audience, which helps with increasing conversion rates. Machine learning aids in strategy optimization by automating ad placements, content recommendations and email timing for more optimal engagement. In addition, AI-driven analytics dig deep into performance data, providing better insights for smarter decision making for affiliate marketing. You can start earning money on Upwork.com with AI. AI is a broad field with many opportunities for individuals and businesses to capitalize on its capabilities. Companies can use it to improve customer service through chatbots, streamline operations with automation, and enhance decision making with data analytics, ultimately increasing profitability. Individuals can generate income by offering AI-powered freelancing services, training companies on AI tools, and developing marketing content for businesses. If you're a business looking to optimize your operations and profits with AI expertise, you can find top AI talent on Upwork.com to help you automate hiring processes or develop customer-centric products. Alternatively, if you're interested in freelancing to earn an income, you can tap into global opportunities on Upwork.com, including both contract assignments and full-time roles. You can easily create your portfolio and sell consulting services, tutoring packages, or develop microservices tailored to an organization's needs. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment below the video and don't forget to tell me which strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. Or if you have any questions, drop them down below and I will follow up with you. If you would like to learn more about how you can create a second income online, I have got something special for you. Click the link below to join our exclusive webinar on creating a second income online. This isn't just a video, it's your ticket to a game-changing opportunity. Don't miss out. Make sure you check out that link and go through to my website and I'll see you at the webinar. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and please give the video a like. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thank you for watching.